Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Taking a quick look here again at Avalanche. When we left off, no, we didn't laugh off this morning. We left off this morning. Some of you might have been laughing. I don't know. I probably was too. We actually left off with $38 being a point of contention. In other words, closing above 38 being very important. We're right at 39 with 9 minutes to go on this candle. So seems pretty likely we're going to be able to get that closure, which is extremely important. We'll talk about that. And of course, pull up some backend data too and kind of see what's going on here. Just to jump right into liquidation levels, we got some shorts getting smashed here once more, as per usual, between 40.5 and 41.5. So right around 42-ish, right, just sub 42 to 44, we see our next little wave of shorts, okay? Keep in mind, we have a strong, heavy accumulation at 37.80. Sorry, I misspoke, 33.79, so 33.80, effectively for our lower liquidation levels. So just be mindful, those areas are commonly sought after with just kind of the way that the whales try to manipulate the price action. So just be mindful of that. That's extremely important to note. Quickly to note too, if you're new to the channel, I love teaching people to trade. I hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. Join myself and other fantastic, phenomenal traders here. Got some really good traders in our group. Some awesome premium trades too as well. We took some nice profits today from Cardano, 74%, 151% from ICP, Atom 102, Cartesi 70, and OP 21%. That was yesterday and the day before. So it's been a nice little 24, 48 hours for us. All things considered, pretty good. Those are long positions for the most part, and the price of Bitcoin pulled back, taking full advantage of that. All right, so let's talk about the daily, and just to quickly note here, not much has changed since earlier today, and if you didn't catch my video from earlier today, that's fine. The daily time frame is extremely bullish, okay? Big surprise, right? We really don't have anything telling us the price wants to pull back. Stochastic swinging down a little, money flow index is coming down, but that's standard for the daily being up over that level for so long. We really are going to see, kind of the proof in the pudding, so to speak, on the 4-hour and the hourly time frames, which is what we want to look at next. So we take a look here on the 4-hour time frame. We can see this tentatively bearish engulfing candle. We've got the stochastic swinging upwards, RSI and money flow index at around 60. Those are all positive contributing factors. MACD hasn't confirmed yet, but it does want to converge. So it does appear likely that we're going to see a retest of this upper level at 43. Quickly to note, we have this upper liquidity level here, of course. Based on the charts, we can see most of it has been filled, of course. So again, less merit for the whales to push the price action higher. But I don't think that necessarily matters at this point too, because with the way that things are going right now, the overall sense of the market is that Feds met today, and let's see if I can pull up this little chart here for you. Oops, I passed it. There we go. The playout chart here. Nope, that's internet computer. Sorry, misspoke. Oh, you know what? Maybe it didn't. Oh no, I passed it. It's right here. Just scrolling is hard. Feds leave interest rates unchanged. Okay, I think you probably know that by now. But anyways, that had happened, and that caused the price action to shoot up, and Bitcoin is now averaging at 43,000. Okay, so most of the market went up when Avalanche came down. Okay, so you got to recognize that is interesting pairing, right? An inverse pairing where the price goes down and Bitcoin goes up. That's mainly because profits are being taken, Bitcoin dominance increased, and the values of altcoins, some altcoins went down. Meanwhile, most of them went up. But just to clarify, if you're curious, on our education section, we do have a pinned message for the cheat sheet here. Bitcoin dominance is up and the price is up, and alts are kind of coming down. It's at least we're on the horizon of that. A lot of times alts will come down within a few hours of Bitcoin coming up, so we could start seeing that soon. Anyways, Avalanche already baked that in, if you will. The last 4 hours have been bearish, whereas most coins are truly bullish. Okay, so again, just an interesting little situation, but I wouldn't say it's dire straits to say the least here. Avalanche does tend to balance things out. We got a decent amount of volume profile between 36 and 38, right around that 39 range. Once again, $38 is an important level for closure at on the 1 day, which we're seeing right now take place. Take a look at the moving averages. We're above all moving averages at this point. That's important there. They're all kind of hanging out or converging right there at $38 too, coincidentally. So that does imply that's a support level for us. Okay. Last thing we want to look at would be the I don't know why I just did that. Sorry. 9. We hit 9 T sequential. We came up to a 5. Now we're getting a reset. That doesn't matter too much. It just implies we're not fully overextended, but we kind of shot up a little too fast, too quick. What was it? We flew too close to the sun, as some might say. We got the conversion line above the baseline. Lag and span's free and clear for the moment. and we're above the cloud. So this is technically 3 out of 3 indications to consider a long position or to leave your long position open. If we do close again below 38 or just say 37, 37.20 specifically at that 0.5 fib level, then we might have a different conversation. Okay, but leading into that, maybe a long position in this area between 37.5 and 38.5 might be appropriate, with a consideration for averaging your position down a little bit lower at 34. Again, that's just kind of how I structure my trades. I like to have multiple entries and multiple positions, but not everyone is like me, okay, and that's fine. I just kind of prefer swing trading over day trading. Don't get upset. All right. So also I got the question the other day, like, why don't you go into the micro time frames, like 1 and 5 minute charts? Well, because I'm not really trying to find a a scalp per se. I have a scalping bot do that for me. Okay. If you're not familiar too, we have a Premium Plus group, of course, where we just kind of scalp different coins, like Litecoin 6% to BNB 6%. That was just earlier today, 7 minutes for 6%, 6.25% on Solana. ETH 13%, another 13 from ETH, 6% there, Matic. We got some specific trading pairs that I have a trading bot that I created based on my day trading strategy that scalps those trades for me. Okay, that's fully automated. I don't worry about that. Obviously, I maintain it, but I don't have to, figure those out. That's why I don't go into smaller time frames, because I got something to do that for me, and I don't care to do that because I don't like to sit there all day and watch the charts. I love to analyze charts all day and look for swing trade opportunities. That's a different story. All right, anyways, figured I'd clear the air there. Thanks for watching. Do yourself a favor, double check this exchange here. Phenomenal exchange, highly recommended. Bitunix is my favorite exchange. Use my link to register, you get some healthy benefit rewards. And we really just offer this because no KYC, no VPN. A lot of my US and Canadian members, subscribers, etc., are having difficulty finding a reliable exchange. Unfortunately, BingX just required VPN as well, which means KYC's on the horizon. Wonderful times. So I hope that you learned something here today. Thanks so much for watching. We'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your one. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.